Have you ever wondered why we measure things? Imagine a world without measurement. Chaos, right? From the moment you wake up to the second you fall asleep, measurements shape your day. Let us dive into the fascinating world of measurement and discover why it's so crucial in our lives. Measurement is all about determining the amount of something. It's how we make sense of the world around us. Think about it. When you say it's a 10-minute walk to the store, or that you need 2 cups of flour for a recipe, you're using measurements. These simple acts of quantifying help us communicate and understand our environment better. But measurement isn't just about everyday tasks. It's the foundation of science, engineering, and technology. Without precise measurements, we couldn't build skyscrapers, send rockets to space, or even bake a perfect cake. Measurement allows us to compare, analyze, and make informed decisions. So, what exactly counts as measurement? Well, it's any process that assigns a number to a characteristic of an object or event. This could be the length of a table, the weight of an apple, or the time it takes to run a marathon. Each of these measurements uses a specific unit: meters for length, grams for weight, and seconds for time. These units of measurement are standardized, meaning they're the same everywhere. This standardization is crucial for global communication and trade. Imagine trying to buy fabric if every country had a different idea of what a meter was. But it's not just about the basic units. We often need to measure very large or very small quantities. That's where prefixes come in handy. You've probably heard terms like kilogram or millimeter. These prefixes, kilo meaning thousand and milli meaning thousandth, allow us to express a wide range of measurements easily. In the world of science and technology, even more extreme prefixes are used. From the tiny nano 1 billionth to the massive tera 1 trillion. These prefixes help scientists describe everything from the size of atoms to the distance between galaxies. Measurement isn't just about physical properties either. We measure abstract concepts too. Think about how we measure intelligence with IQ tests, or how we quantify risk in insurance. These measurements might be less tangible, but they're no less important in our decision-making processes. In conclusion, measurement is an essential tool that helps us understand, describe, and interact with the world around us. It's the language of science, the foundation of trade, and a crucial part of our daily lives. So, next time you check the time, weigh your groceries, or measure your height, remember, you're participating in one of humanity's most fundamental and powerful practices. Measurement isn't just about numbers. It's about making sense of our universe, one unit at a time.